What is diminished capacity? Have you ever wondered how the legal system handles cases where a defendant's mental state is in question? One important concept to understand is diminished capacity. This legal term comes into play when a person's mental condition at the time of a crime affects their ability to form the specific intent needed to commit that crime. Unlike the insanity defense, which claims a person was completely unable to understand their actions, diminished capacity does not argue for total innocence. Instead, it suggests that mental impairment prevented the defendant from having the required mental state for the crime charged. In criminal law, many offenses requiring both a guilty act and a guilty mind. For instance, murder usually involves the intent to kill, while manslaughter may involve recklessness or negligence. A defendant with diminished capacity might not have been able to form the intent to kill but could still have acted recklessly, leading to someone's death. In such cases, the defense aims to reduce the charge from murder to manslaughter or another lesser offense by demonstrating that the defendant's mental state was impaired. This defense is different from insanity in key ways. Insanity is an affirmative defense, meaning it claims the defendant was unable to understand the nature or wrongfulness of their actions. This can lead to a verdict of not guilty by reason of insanity, often resulting in commitment to a mental health facility. Diminished capacity, however, acknowledges some level of mental impairment but does not excuse the crime entirely. It only reduces the level of culpability, making it a partial defense. To support a claim of diminished capacity, expert testimony from psychologists or psychiatrists is often used. These professionals evaluate the defendant's mental state at the time of the offense. The defense must show that the impairment was significant enough to interfere with the ability to form the required intent. This can include mental illnesses, developmental disabilities, or impairments caused by substances. In serious criminal trials, such as those involving murder, diminished capacity can significantly affect sentencing outcomes. It may shift convictions to lesser offenses that carry lighter penalties or alternative sentences, such as mandated mental health treatment. This approach reflects an understanding that mental health conditions can influence behavior and culpability, allowing for a more just evaluation of defendants. From a criminological viewpoint, diminished capacity highlights the connection between mental health and criminal behavior. It shows that not all criminal acts are the result of rational and intentional decisions. This raises important questions about how the justice system balances accountability with the recognition of mental impairments, affecting trial strategies and broader discussions about criminal responsibility. Understanding diminished capacity is essential for grasping how the legal system navigates the complexities of mental health in criminal cases.